You know the number one way to get an unlimited amount of customers? It's simple. It's easy. And if you're not doing it already, your competitors are. And it's this. Get customers to refer you. Nothing works better than word of mouth. But there is a secret sauce that makes this work even better. And in this video, I'm going to share with you whether or not you're using it. Are you getting the most out of your customer referrals? Here's how to find out. First of all, let me ask you a question. How many customers have you had in the last 12 months that came from referrals? Now, don't just think about your employees referring customers. Think about your customers, your existing customers referring other customers. How many did you get in the last 12 months? Now, here's the thing. If you're not getting at least 10% of your customers from referrals, you're not even scratching the surface of what's possible. Most successful companies are getting between 30 to 50% of their new business from referrals. So here's the question I want you to ask yourself. Why aren't people referring you? And I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why people are not referring you. And then I'm gonna tell you how to fix it. Number 1 reason people are not referring you, they don't like you. They don't trust you. They don't know you. They don't feel a personal connection. Now, here's the thing. People will refer people that they know to people that they know. So if you want more referrals, you need to get your current customers to feel like they know you. So what does that mean? That means you need to over-communicate. You need to be talking to them more often. You need to be sending them more stuff. You need to be getting in front of them more often. The second reason people are not referring you is because they don't think you can help them. They don't understand what you do. They don't know your benefits. They don't see the value. So you need to do a better job of educating your customers on what you do, why you do it, and the value that you bring. This is why having testimonials and case studies and examples of what you've done for other people is so important. And the third reason is the most common, and it's simply that people just don't think of you. They don't think of you when they're talking to other people. So you need to do a better job of getting top of mind. You need to be sending them more stuff, more content, more communication, more interaction. You need to be getting out there. So are you doing all of those things? If you're not, that's why you're not getting the referrals that you want. But if you are doing those things, then there's one other secret sauce that is going to make you stand out from the crowd. And that secret sauce is this. Add value in every single interaction that you have with your customers. Add value. Don't try to sell them more stuff. Don't try to get them to buy more. Don't try to get them to upgrade. Just add value. Give them information. Help them solve problems. Be a trusted advisor. And they see that you're not just trying to take, but you're giving. They will refer you to their friends and family. Now, I want you to go back and think about all of the interactions that you've had with your customers in the last 12 months. Did you add value? Were you helpful? Were you a trusted advisor? If the answer is no, then that's why they're not referring you. But if you start adding value, they will begin to refer you. Thanks for watching.